This is Miss Monica Cooks. I'm Monica Nash, and today I made brownies. Holiday peppermint brownies. They are so good. Check these out. They are fudgy, chewy, they have a bit of powdered sugar on top, and a crunchy peppermint candy that we pounded the heck out of to get this beautiful crust on top. They're so good and they're perfect for the holidays. I know you'll enjoy them. These are our ingredients. We have mints, powdered sugar, flour, eggs, vanilla, pink Himalayan salt, butter, sugar, and cocoa. Here we have an 8x-inch pan. I don't want the brownies to stick to the pan. So I have my heat set at medium-low. Oh, the smell of butter when baking is so amazing. All right, the butter is all melted now, so I'm going to add the sugar. And then I'm going to add the cocoa. I told my husband that I wasn't going to turn on the fan because well, not just for the noise, but it smells delicious and I would love my house to smell like chocolate. I usually do savory dishes, but today I am making brownies for my coworker Mari for a Christmas present. For Thanksgiving and Mari's birthday, I gave her stuffing for her birthday because she loves stuffing. For Christmas, I'm going to indulge her love of chocolate and give her brownies. Finally, we add the salt. I like pink Himalayan salt, and it should be gritty at this point. So right now, I'm going to take the brownie mixture off of the heat. I'm gonna let it cool for a bit because we're gonna get eggs in there and we don't want the eggs to start cooking before they should. So here we have our mints, our little starlight peppermints. I am going to crush these mints with a rolling pin and some napkins and a plastic bag. And this is just so that they won't stick to the cloth and also they won't fly everywhere. So I'm gonna put it in between these cloths. I just don't want it to be too hard of a surface to break these guys. Just want to soften the blow a little bit, make a little blanket, tuck it in, and smush. Oh, gonna have to turn off the sound for this one. The dog is terrified. Okay. Let's try that again. I think I need a hammer. All right, I'm gonna give this a third try. Okay, here we go. All right, I think I have enough for a start, so I'm gonna pick out the chunks. Oh yeah, that's plenty. If you keep ones that are this big, it's fine. It has the nice red and white swirly bit that you know on mints. I think it's so cute for the holidays. You don't want the chunks to be too large, crunchy. And, well, who knows? Maybe some people like the chunky bits, the crunchy bits. I think this is good. So the mix has cooled off substantially. I'm going to add in some pure vanilla, just ½ teaspoon, right here. We'll give it a stir. Then I'm gonna add 2 eggs, one by one, mixing in completely before adding the next. In goes egg. Gonna blend until it's all stirred in, and then I'll add the other egg. Next, This is so I don't get any shells in my brownie mix, just to be safe. It should be all mixed in. I'm gonna add some flour in, a little at a time. So you're gonna wanna combine this thoroughly. I find it easier to use a spatula to get all the flour from the sides. You don't want that flour unincorporated in your brownies. That would be gross. I'm gonna add the other half. The batter looks lovely, doesn't it? My students, I'm a teacher, make fun of me for saying lovely because I spent a year abroad in Wales and my English and Welsh friends there would say lovely all the time. So I came back to the States saying lovely, and stuck with me since 2002, 2003. And now I have British students at my school and they think it's hilarious that I say lovely. Probably because their parents do. Just kind of out of place in Texas. Making sure that I'm getting all the flour from the spatula and around the sides. I can start with my 40 vigorous stirs. So you're gonna beat this almost until it is really, really super combined. For 40 stirs. I've lost count already. I'm gonna just say 20. All right, and there was my vigorous mixing. It's going into the pan. Oh, the ooey gooey goodness, so good. I can't wait to share them with Mari. And I don't know if she likes peppermint or not. I don't know if that's a thing not to like it, but you know, people are picky. It's okay if she doesn't want them. I'll take them. My husband gets the batter. The oven is already preheated at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Of course, Fahrenheit. So I'm putting the brownies in the oven. The brownies take about half an hour. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, I can do that. Those brownies are done. Oh, the chocolatey steam is gonna fill up this room. I'm gonna see if the brownies are done. And they are. You can see there's just a little bit of batter that comes out. So here I'm going to dust the brownies with powdered sugar, and then I'm gonna sprinkle the peppermints on. I'm gonna take a spoon, a little bit of powdered sugar, I'm gonna run it back and forth. That was probably about half a teaspoon, but if you like more, you like more. Here we have the peppermints, and then you're just gonna sprinkle over the brownies like this. Just another few minutes until you get to enjoy your holiday peppermint brownies. We want to let them cool all the way so that we can cut them cleanly. I'm going to put the brownies on the cooling rack just to take it out of the hot pan. Yay! And I'm going to gently roll this. I don't want to break the brownies. And we're good! I'm gonna try to make it as pretty as possible, but if not, I'll get to try some broken pieces. They're moist on the inside. They're baked on the outside, and they've got a good crust to them. I'm so excited that these turned out well. I'm going to dust these with peppermint again after I arrange them on the plate. So there was one broken brownie, and I could not give that to Mari. That would be a terrible Christmas present. So I'm gonna try some. So here it is. It has a little bit of peppermint and powdered sugar. And in it goes. That was really good. It's chewy, it's crunchy, it's sweet, salty from the pink Himalayan salt. It was so good. It's gonna make an excellent Christmas present. I'm very pleased. Now that the brownies are plated, I'm going to sprinkle some mints over them again. These are over the top good. Can't believe that. How amazing these turned out. Thanks for watching. I'm so glad I got to share this recipe with you. I hope you enjoy it like I totally enjoyed it. And please subscribe and like this video. I can't wait to see you again. See you soon.